Hello my viewers, namaste and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to teach you how to get iOS 11's control center or the control panel on your Android phone right now. Let's go. So first of all, once again, all you got to do, go to Play Store. On the Play Store, you got to search iOS Control Center and click on Control Center iOS 11 by Lutin Developer. Alright, so install that. It's about 4.3 MB. Now you're gonna load. There are many other apps too, but this one I actually found out to be the best, so I'm telling you this one. So install, let's open it. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so right now control center. So now this is touch to open and you can see this small green bar here. The small green bar on the bottom of the display. Yeah, so now we can change the size. You can keep it right or the left. I prefer on the bottom. Size you can increase, color you can change. Let me keep this only. Sorry, just an ad. Color, position. It's all the same thing. I don't know what's happening here anyway. So then everything, music control, long press. You should give this. Cancel right now. I'll teach you everything.
Namaskar.
Okay, that's it. And now you're ready. Swipe, and you got it. So the volume, the brightness. Okay, so it requires some additional permissions. Okay, so it requires change system settings permission. Okay, so we go to settings, and now somewhere you gotta search. Mine says advanced settings. Somewhere you go to settings and applications. It's the applications. So in that you gotta scroll until you find control center. So click on that. Go down, permissions. You can modify system settings and accept that. Accept. Okay, that's it. Now it should be done. You got the control center, the brightness, the volume, the music. Choose Google Play.
Namaskar.
And you are all set. Right, so Wi-Fi, night mode. Sorry, not night mode. Do not disturb mode. Screen orientation, flash, screen timeout, play music. So it works. I'll just show you. I'll play it. See? So it works perfectly well. Okay? Yeah, okay. So that's it for this video. Keep the thumbs up, bell icon, subscribe, like and share, please. Thank you. Have a good day.